18 sensible ways to avoid temptation in a long-distance relationship. Afraid to fall into temptation while in a long-distance relationship? You are probably looking for tips that can help you avoid that. Being in a long-distance relationship, like during this quarantine period, could be uneasy for many. It is not enough that you miss each other. Some problems may also arise, such as trust issues, communication gaps, and even the temptation to cheat. To protect your relationship from mistakes that can be so disastrous, decide to be faithful. Here are some sensible ways that may help you avoid temptations in a long-distance relationship. By the way, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates, and give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you very much for supporting our channel. 1. Remind yourself why you love your partner. This is one effective way to shut off the temptation to turn to someone else. Keep yourself in love with your partner or spouse by reminiscing about your past together and why you have chosen him or her. Then ask yourself if you are willing to risk losing this person. 2. Decide not to break your partner's trust. Being faithful in a relationship requires commitment. Decide to be a good steward of the trust that has been given to you. If you condition your thoughts this way, it would be easier for your mind to keep from wandering. 3. Practice transparency in the relationship. Transparency is beneficial in a long-distance relationship. It is not limited to giving your social media account passwords to your partner. It also involves being open about your whereabouts and who you are with. 4. Keep regular communication. Communication is the key to a successful relationship, whether long distance or not. If possible, communicate every day. Always give time to talk or video call each other. 5. Limit friendship with the opposite sex. If you know you get easily attracted and attached to anyone from the opposite sex, then this is a must. Set a boundary in your friendship with the opposite sex, especially those who are nearby. Avoid prolonged talking, coquettish teasing, and going out alone with them. 6. Avoid keeping secrets from your partner. Along with transparency, honesty, and openness are essential elements in a long-distance relationship. The moment you start keeping secrets from your partner, no matter how small they are, begins your vulnerability to temptations. 7. Resolve conflicts immediately. Conflicts are more challenging to settle when you are in a long-distance relationship. The communication barrier caused by distance and limited time to talk is a factor here. Therefore, whenever you have a lover's quarrel, agree to settle the issue as soon as possible. 8. Keep yourself busy. Idle moments are your most vulnerable moments. For this reason, always find something productive to do or think about. Whenever not-so-good thoughts creep into your mind, shake them off and distract yourself. 9. Do not engage in light flirting or fling. As mentioned in number 5, coquettish or flirty teasing with someone else from the opposite sex must be avoided. Moreover, whenever you feel someone is hitting on you, do not entertain it. There's no such thing as harmless flirting. 10. Avoid finding comfort in someone from the opposite sex. It is not harmful to have a best friend of the opposite sex, especially if you go way back before meeting your partner or spouse. However, please understand that your partner must become your closest friend and confidante once you are in a relationship. Avoid sharing secrets and heartaches with someone else of the opposite sex. 11. Minimize unnecessary socializations. Yes, you can still party and enjoy the nightlife. However, be aware that they could lead you to tempting situations. For instance, you could meet attractive fellows in the bar or get so drunk at a party, ending up in problematic situations with the wrong individuals. You know what I mean. 12. Find recreation. If you are bored and have a lot of free time, find a hobby. This will lessen your chance of entertaining wild thoughts, such as meeting new guys or gals, just for the sake of the thrill. 13. Be afraid of STI. Keep yourself informed about the danger and rampant of sexually transmitted infections, STI. Hopefully, you can remember this whenever you are about to give in to the urge to get sensual with random individuals. 14. Do not be too sweet to others of the opposite sex. Aside from limiting your friendliness with others from the opposite sex, avoid being too sweet and caring to them. This could result in the other person falling for you, and you might be tempted to respond. Examples would be walking or driving a girl home alone and asking a guy to be your crying shoulder. 15. Cut harmless but prolonged chatting, texting, or calls with someone else. Some think this is harmless as long as you do not talk about anything intimate between you. However, the more time you spend communicating with a person, the more you get attached to him or her. Therefore, avoid having habitual chats, texts, or calls with another person. 16. Ponder about the outcomes if you give in. Are you ready to lose your partner or spouse? Unfortunately, no secret can be hidden forever. Thus, if you think your relationship is a serious deal, do not engage in non-serious ones. Your partner will indeed find out. 17. Keep your relationship passionate. Another way to keep yourself from cheating is by staying in love with your partner. Therefore, talk with them more or about how you can keep your relationship exciting despite the distance. 18. Pray that you do not fail. Instead of being overconfident that you will not fail, be humble before God, ask for His wisdom and strength daily. Admit that you are vulnerable to temptations, so you need His protection and guidance. It is worth the wait. Distance and time are among the testing factors that can prove your love for a person. If you believe that you have found the one, then do not let him or her go. Do not let any temptation destroy everything you have been waiting for all this time. Every conquering temptation represents a new fund of moral energy. Every trial endured and weathered in the right spirit makes a soul nobler and stronger than it was before. William Butler Yeats. Please leave your comment below if you have anything to share with us. Thanks for watching our video.